Hello everyone, my name is Ajish and this is episode 2 of Tech Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Drive. Now, what is Google Drive? Google Drive is a cloud-based storage service that allows users to store, access, and share files and folders from any device with an internet connection. And this cloud-based storage service is being run by Google. To use Google Drive, you're going to need your computer, a computer, phone, or tablet. But right now I'm using a computer, so the process may vary. But also, you're going to need to have a web browser. For phone and tablet, you don't need to because you can download it from the app store. But if you're using computer, you should have a web browser like Safari, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, which is highly recommended, Firefox, etc. And then you're going to have to be logged into your Google account. So right now, I'm logged into my Google account. Now, to start, we're going to open up Google Drive from your browser. Now, for Chrome, or if after you type in google.com, this URL, you may see these white 9 dots between images and your profile picture or Google account. If you signed in, click on that, you should see Drive right here. If you don't want to do that, you can, in the search bar, you can type in Google Drive. Click on the first option, then click on sign in. Then you're into your Google Drive. Now, to create a file or folder, or upload a file or upload a folder, you can click on the new button. You can create a new folder. For example, we can use MacBook, because why not? Now, it has created one, and you can find your files in the My Drive. So if you're from home, you can click on My Drive, and then you can find your folders that you've created. Now, in your shared drive, you can see the shared drives that you made. For example, I'm in CNC and a yearbook, and these are shared drives, so it should be good. Now, if you want to upload a file, you can click on the new button. Click on the new button. Click on file upload right here, and then you can upload any file. So, just for example, I'm just going to upload final intro for our CNC. Now, over here at the bottom right hand corner, it will show the progress for your file to upload. And then if you want to also upload a folder, you can do that. And also, it'll be considered as a folder after you upload it. So you can find the folder that you've uploaded from My Drive. So I'll upload this one. No, I can't. But I can't upload that. So actually, I can use untitled folder. So after that, and also you'll find but also if you're using Google Chrome, you may find this message. You can just click on upload if you trust it. But also for your file, after it's finished, can see the green check mark. If you want to open it right away, so you can hover over it and click on the spiral icon, show file location, and then it should find where it is, right here, final intro. Now let's go back to My Drive. And now to find the file that we've uploaded, we can go from home to My Drive. And then you should be able to find the folder that you've uploaded from the new section. And you can access the file that you've uploaded. So I've uploaded my art project a long time ago, and it's going to be right here, letters. And it'll show my letters right here, and it'll show my Krita file as well. Any file you can upload it to here, but hopefully you can access it with other applications. So now it's time to talk about the other options. So we can create documents for Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Forms. For these four Google Workspace apps, you can create a blank document or use a template. Now, in the More section, you can find drawings, my maps, sites, app scripts, etc., depending on if you're using a school, work, or personal account. With these four, you may not be able to find a template directly from Google Drive, but if you go to their own dedicated website, you can. I think, except for Google Drawings. But, and also, you can go to the Recent tab and see what files you have accessed or uploaded recently. So I've accessed this one, this one, this file, this file, this file, this file, this file. Basically, any file that you've uploaded or accessed a long time ago, it'll show here in the Recents tab. Now, for Share With Me, it will show the files that has been shared with you. Like, for example, if you're from Google Classroom, all of your files from Google Classroom should be here. And also, the files that you have shared to other people will also show here. Starred, if you have starred any documents, you can find it from the Starred tab. Also, you can find spam. So, if you have any spam documents, it'll be in the spam, and it'll be good to go. Like if you want to erase it permanently. Now trash, you can put your garbage documents that you don't need in the trash. And if you want to delete forever, you can go to here, empty trash. Now, it will automatically delete after 30 days, but if you want them gone immediately, you can do empty trash. And if you delete them forever, you won't be able to recover them back. So if you don't care, you can just press delete forever. And also, you'll have a limited amount of storage. Right now, for my school account, I have 10 gigabytes of storage. I have used 9 gigabytes, which is not good, obviously. Oh, wait, never mind. If you clear out your trash, it can restore some storage. But I recovered 8.73 gigabytes, which is not good. But also, if you're using a personal Google Drive account or Google account, you can have 15 gigabytes, which is 5 more gigabytes than my school. So, and also you can see your activities. So let's see, you can see all of your activity with your documents, like who is shared with you, what you have sent to, like all those types of stuff that is related to activity stuff. The workspace, you can create a workspace. Basically, if you have left something to do, you can get right back on it if you want to do it again. But also, if you want to search up your documents, you can go to search in drives and type in the file that you want to see. So let's see, if I want to see Agis's portfolio, I know I'm bad at typing. You can find Agis's portfolio right here, and I can access from here. And also, you can access your Google Contacts tasks, how to use Google Drive, install and set up clients to Ubuntu on iMacs for Mr. Pora. I can mark that as complete. Google Keep, like make notes. Don't ask this. And also, you can access your Google Calendar, which can be useful instead of using a different tab. Like here, you can access it straight from Google Drive, and you can check each day. And also, you can from here you can also access other apps. For example, Gmail, Doc Sheet. You can already access it from here by creating a new document. But you can also access Meet, videos, groups, YouTube, maps, and so on, so on. And also, you can customize your settings. Get Drive for desktop, but you may not need it. And over here, you can access your your Google account, and also you can sign out from there from Google Drive if you want to. Now, these are all the basics for Google Drive. Hopefully, this video helped you out, and I'll see you guys next time in the next episode of Tech Tutorials. Bye!